What is up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got this beautiful 2008 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. It's the anniversary edition. It's the anniversary paint scheme for the 105th anniversary, and I'm excited to get to the end to show you how many miles are in this bike. I'm not going to tell you right now because you're not going to believe it. It's just so clean. It's so well taken care of. And you're just not gonna believe it. That's the case. So let's go down here and let's look around and get up close to this bike and see what it looks like, and then we're gonna see how many miles are on at the end. So here in the back of the rear wheel, you can see the tire's pretty good tread. I'm gonna call that 50%. I mean, good to go for riding on it, good to go for inspection or anything like that, but not brand new. Here on the rear fender, the paint on this bike is gorgeous. I mean, there's a few imperfections here and there, but it's 10 years old, so let's be realistic about it. But it is a nice motorcycle. It's nice paint. You can see the brake light here. You got turn signal, you know, license plate mounted under here. This thing's got the Reinhardt pipes on there. They are looking good. Let's head up here to the tour pack. See that from here. This one has the short CB whips on here, you can see. The luggage rack up top. I mean, all the stuff is in nice shape. We're gonna get a good look at all that. We'll look here at the side of the tour pack. There's some light smudging in here. It's just in the clear coat. It's not actual scratches, but it is there. This does have the quick disconnect for the tour pack, which is nice. It is nice to be able to take it off if you want to. I mean, if you ride two up a lot, not necessary, but it is nice if you want to take it off. There you can see the side of the bags. The bags are in really nice shape. Even all this chrome here is in nice shape. I just wiped it down with the rag, a little bit of a spray, but like I didn't get out the hardcore cleaner or anything like that. It just came right to life. Open up these bags so you guys can see inside of them. I mean, if you know these bikes, you know what these bags look like on the inside. But there you go. You can see that. Oh. There you go, all latched up. The side cover is in nice shape. Nothing to point out there. I was hoping to find something. I mean, there's one really tiny imperfection right there. Can't even hardly see it on the camera. So you got your passenger floorboard here. You got your rider floorboard here. Your rear brake. This does have the 6-speed. Which is nice. That extra gear is always nice when you're out on the highway. It has the 96 cubic inch motor. You can see it there on the air cleaner. Has this nice, this matching like bronze color, like the bike on the air cleaner. The motor's in nice shape. It's not leaking anything. It fires right up, and it runs really well. There is the anniversary badge. Those are sweet looking. I like those a lot. The seat is in nice shape. There are no busted out seams or anything on here. You got the anniversary badge there on the seat. Of course, the passenger seat and the rider seat this is all one piece. I do not have the backrest piece for this, but it does have the slot there. Let's keep going. What we got here around on the. Make sure I get in close here on the tank. I showed you the badge. I want to make sure you see the whole tank. See that there is nothing, no major marks on there. I mean, there's a tiny little mark there in the black paint. And there is one right there under the badge. So here you can see the foot fairings. I mean, these are usually where we see most of our chips. I mean, taking some stones off the road or something like that. You got a chip right there, right in my pointer finger, a little black mark. Other than that, even here on the foot fairings, it's in nice shape. This one does have the highway pegs, always nice for you taller guys. I'm 6'3", I like to stretch out. You got the air vents there. Come up here to the upper fairing. Up top here, it's in good shape. I don't have any chips or anything. There's a, oh, nope, this little bug mark. Thought I found something I needed to point out. Like I said, the paint on this bike is just in really, really nice shape. I mean, this thing definitely lived inside when it wasn't being ridden, but it was ridden, and we're gonna find out how many miles was. Got your auxiliary light, and your headlight. Of course, you have your turn signals here and here. Here on the front fender, there is a small mark right there above my pointer finger. It's not even really like it looks like a chip, but I can't feel it. It doesn't feel like it's in the paint. Got another one there, another one there. You just see those. This front tire is in about the same shape as the back tire. I'm gonna call this one like 40 or 50%. Good to go for inspection, good to go to ride on it, but it has been ridden and it is not a brand new tire. So we saw there's your front brake. See a little bit of fork tubes there. Go to the other side, we'll do the same thing, fork tubes. And we'll see the front brakes on this side. Get a little bit better look at that wheel there. I mean, this bike is just in nice shape. Do not miss out on the test drive of this bike. It will be up on YouTube and you're gonna wanna see it. There'll be a few more miles on it after it is ridden, but make sure you check that out if you're really interested in this bike. Of course, like I said, got the highway pegs on this side, just like on the other side. Got your rider floorboard, got the toe shifter and the heel shifter. I like the heel shifter. Got the passenger floorboard here. You can see all this chrome is nice and shiny. Just wiped it down with a rag and it popped right out. So let's look at the tank here. Tank's in nice shape. All the paint is good. Again, there's that anniversary badge. I like that anniversary badge. It's one of the ones that I really enjoy. Here on the top of this bag is one of the imperfections that I definitely want to point out. There's a mark right there. You can see it in the pinstriping. That is like a little gouge. Might have caught like a stone or something, but that is there. There you can see the side cover. See the exhaust. There. See this whole side of this bag. A little bit of a smudge mark there. Literally just a smudge came up with my finger here. I thought I was gonna find something. Here on the side of the bag, we do have some light scratches in here on this hinge and a light mark right there, my pointer finger. Of course, you have the passenger headset, volume controls. We already saw the seat a little bit, but we're just gonna do that again really quickly. You see the backrest for the passenger seat. Got your rear speakers there and there. Got the passenger seat, nice big comfy passenger seat. Same thing with the rider seat. Coming up over the top. You know, you got your fuel cap in here. Got your headset thing there for the driver, the rain rider. Got your handlebars. You know, got the Harley Davidson aftermarket grips there. Clutch. This bike does have nav. It is nice to have the navigation there, and it is plugged into the stereo system, so you would get your directions through the speakers, which is really a nice feature, especially for being 2008. Got your throttle, front brake, got all your controls, all that stuff. All right, guys, now it's time for the moment of truth. We're gonna see how many miles are on this bad boy. You're not gonna believe it. That's right, 73,199 miles. So it's definitely gonna be a little more than that after the test drive, but 73,000 miles on this thing. Would you believe it? I do not. It is so clean. And we're gonna fire this thing up so you guys can hear it run. There is that. The thing fires right up. Let's make sure that we got turn signals in this bike that work. There's your front signal on that side. And I'm going to do the front signal on this side. Come back over. Got your rear signal on this side. And your rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2008 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. 73,000 miles. This thing was very well taken care of. I love the paint scheme. I love the bike. This thing is not going to last long. It's going to be priced to move. Do not miss out on this bike, and thank you so much for watching.